This problem is asking us to simplify completely 7x squared minus 6x plus 2 minus 4x squared minus 3x plus 5. So I know a lot of you, when you see two parentheses, you want to multiply them together. But remember, there is a sign in between these two trinomials here. There's a minus sign in between them. So we're not supposed to multiply. We're supposed to subtract. Okay? If there was no minus sign here, and it was just this term and times this term, then we would multiply if there was no minus sign. But since there's a minus sign separating these two trinomials, this is a subtraction and addition problem. So first thing we're going to do is look at the first trinomial, and we try to do something inside of it, meaning we're going to try to simplify something inside the parentheses. And we see that we can't, right? This has an x squared, this has an x, this is just a whole number, right? They're not the same, so we cannot combine any like terms here. And you'll see the same for the second trinomial, right? We cannot combine any of these terms inside. So all we can do really here is distribute the minus sign first, okay? So we're going to distribute the minus sign. Now, once we distribute the minus sign, you can get rid of the parentheses. And as we said here, we couldn't do anything to the first term, to the first trinomial. So let's just rewrite that. So we just get 7x squared minus 6x plus 2. Because again, we can't do anything with it, so just get rid of the parentheses. But here, we can distribute the minus, and after we distribute the minus, we can remove the parentheses. So if I distribute the minus, that negative times 4x squared is going to give us a negative 4x squared. Negative times a negative 3x would give us a positive 3x. And then a negative times a positive 5 is a negative 5. Okay, now I'm going to combine all of my like terms. So I see I have a 7x squared here, I have a x squared here, and I see I have an x here, I have an x here, and then I see I have a 2 here and a 5 here. Okay, so I'm going to combine all the like terms. I'm going to combine all of my x squares, I'm going to combine all my x's, and I'm going to combine all my whole numbers. So if I do that, I have 7x squared minus 4x squared. That gives me 3x squared. We have negative 6x and a positive 3x, so that gives us a negative 3x. And then we have a 2 minus 5, which gives us a negative 3. So we get 3x squared minus 3x minus 3. And if we look at our choices, it looks like it's choice C.